Introducing our comprehensive online training, EU Cosmetics Regulations, simplifying compliance and safety assessment of cosmetic products. Tailored specifically for professionals in the cosmetics industry, this course is a game-changer for effortlessly navigating the complex landscape of European Union regulations. In today's fiercely competitive cosmetics industry, adhering to EU regulations is not only a legal obligation but also a crucial factor in establishing consumer trust and ensuring product safety. However, comprehending and implementing these regulations can be overwhelming and time-consuming, leading to frustration and potential compliance risks. Our comprehensive online training aims to demystify the complexities of EU cosmetics regulations, equipping you and your team with the knowledge and tools needed to simplify compliance and safety assessments. Our expert trainers will delve into key regulations such as EU Cosmetics Regulation 1223/2009, REACH, GMP, and labeling requirements. They will also share strategies for streamlining compliance processes, enabling you to navigate the regulatory framework with efficiency. Emphasizing the importance of product safety, we provide insights into safety assessment techniques and updates on alternative testing methods. Don't let the intricacies of EU cosmetics regulations hold you back. This online training empowers you to confidently navigate the regulatory maze, simplify compliance, and ensure the safety of your cosmetic products. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com.